What's going on, guys? So we are back working on the Corvette today. Today I want to, get the tranny line in, get the harmonic balancer on, get the steering rack on, then get the ABS module bolted back in. Then after that, get the wheels on it, maybe get it dropped down, and I got to get the exhaust off so I can put on the new headers. Once the exhaust is off, then we can start, see, we can put the starter on, coil, spark plugs in, new headers on, water pump, radiator. This thing might start today. So we got a lot of work to do. So let's get to work and let's see if we can get this thing fired up today. All right, guys, so we got the driver's side header on, plugs, wires, coil packs, alternator. We're still doing the harmonic balancer. It's going on, but I don't have a 24 mil deep well socket, so I got a buddy coming with that. We deleted all the air pump stuff over here. I still need to delete the air pump stuff back there, but that's going to happen when the intake manifold comes off. Let's see. So as soon as my buddy gets back, oh, we got the exhaust off too, and Steve took his old exhaust and his headers. So it's getting a nice new intake, nice big filter, coolant lines, the rest of the exhaust. He has nice red coil covers that are going to go on it. But once my buddy gets here with the 24 mil, we can finish putting that on. Then once that's on, I can put the starter in, then the header, then the plugs and everything on this side. And then I can do the steering rack, water pump, then the radiator, fans, all that fun stuff. We still got to do the torque converter. That's still happening. And then I cleaned up the steering rack. It actually cleaned up really nice. I'm actually really happy with how clean that is. Boots look good and everything. So now it's kind of just waiting on parts. So it really sucks. I hate waiting on parts or tools. I found the piece I needed for the SUPRA for the oil return line. So this is going to go on the bottom, because right now it has like a 45. So right now when you're looking at the line, it comes down, does this, and then goes into a 45. It's really weird. It's not that drastic, but it's bad enough that I think it's causing some of my issues. Plus it doesn't tighten, so it leaks. Oh, so these headers, I found out this one has to go up from underneath, and I have a feeling the driver's side one is going to be the same way. Maybe. I kept hitting stuff on that side, and it was really easy to push it up through from underneath. We'll see how the other one goes. I hope the other one is easier than that one, because that was really easy, but I have a feeling this one's going to be the hardest one. I'm probably going to have to remove this. But we'll see. So, yeah. Hopefully when I come back to you guys, a lot more stuff is done. I'm not going to show you kind of like doing this stuff, because it's kind of boring. I just kind of like showing you the progress as I do it. So, all right, guys. So we got the harmonic balancer all the way on. It's torqued to 235 foot-pounds per ARP's instructions for it. And as you can see, everything's lined up with the belt and all that fun stuff. This header's on, plugs are on. Dipstick, starter, wires, coil packs. So that's all done. O2 sensors are on and plugged in on both headers. So tomorrow, will probably be it for this video. I'm going to do another video tomorrow because it's kind of all running together. But next is going to be power steering rack. Then once the power steering rack's on, I'm going to do the water pump, drain the oil, change it in the filter. Probably hook up the radiator, put on the belt, and crank it and get the oil pumping through the system, and then I'll plug in the coil packs and hopefully fire it up. I think I'm gonna have to put on part of the exhaust because there's secondary O2 sensors and the car's not tuned yet, so I'm worried that if I don't let me see, oh god. So I'm worried if I don't put this piece on and hook up the two O2 sensors that it will not run right and it'll cause problems. Oh shit, I need to put that on before I put it on too. I'll turn it on. Yeah, there's a lot of stuff to do yet. Just trying to think. Yeah, I think we'll be good. I just don't want to do too much up front because I have to take the intake manifold off yet. Yeah, I don't know. And I can fire it up without the water pump. It's not going to hurt it as long as I don't let it run for a long period of time. Like just a couple seconds. I don't want to put too much of the exhaust on because it has to come back off because I got to take off the... I got to drop the rear subframe to do the torque converter. All right, well, so that's going to be it for this video. I appreciate you guys. Oh, wow. I appreciate you guys watching. And I hope you like the content. And the next video, this thing will be starting. Hopefully. All right, catch you guys later.